Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm making these cute little shaker globes, and I'm going to show you here how I've made this. So I've done them ahead. So basically I'm just using these dies from In Love Art Shop. These are like snow globes or fortune teller globes, crystal balls, whatever you want to call them. And what I did was punched out all of the pieces. So here I've punched out a backdrop, a foam piece, a patterned paper, and then you also have to come in and do one of these punch outs here. I use just like a leftover packaging plastic, and you have to layer them all. So I'm going to show you the foam that I get from Michael's is amazing. It's this stuff here. It's sticky on one side and it's plain foam on the other side. So what I do with this is I'm going to stick the plastic there, glue this on top. Then I lay it down, I put my sequins in, I glue that on top, and I let it dry, and that's when I flip it over and out comes this. So then you just go ahead and decorate from there. So that's all the different layers. So it takes a long time to cut out all of the pieces, but that's all the little layers, and then you can have fun decorating once you get to this point. So it's pretty good. I like to have a pattern paper in the back because you really don't see much of that like a plain kind of cardstock in the back there, because you don't really see much of it. All you really see of the pattern paper is around that part there. There's also this part that I never ever use, but I could if I wanted to pop up a little base and have like a little nameplate or something. But I often will grab ephemera and stuff from the collection to decorate it with, so it would really be lost to have that extra step in there. So anyways, I will continue creating those and I will show you once I'm done. Okay, so here are the finished embellishments. I'll show you them each one by one. So let's start with this guy here. So here we have a little shaker with the bird and the hoppy, and you can see all the layers. I've popped everything up onto foam dots and put that little fun shaker aspect in behind there. This one, I followed a similar sort of formula for all of them. Like this one I did the same kind of idea. Bow on top, word on the bottom, flower in the middle with thread behind, and then a little bit of the decorative gems there. This one I came in and made a ladybug theme, and I just had the elements there, the 3 different elements, the flowers and the 2 sizes of ladybugs, and then the smile big, the thread behind there. This one's a different formula, so I've left the top empty so you can shake up the shaker. I took a heart and I wrapped some thread around it, and then I layered up the little mouse flower and have him saying daisies. And then the last one here is this cute little egg-sighted. So I've got a little Easter egg in behind there, and a little bird and a little bow on top. So that is the set of 6 that will be added to my little tote bags that I've been creating, and we'll see. I do want to put some treats and things in there as well, so I wonder if this might be the last sort of paper crafty goodie I make, but we'll see. I'm having a lot of fun with this series. I'm having a lot of fun with this Simple Stories Bunnies and Blooms collection. I hope you've been enjoying it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.